Hello guys and welcome back to the channel again. I want to start with saying sorry because I didn't post for the last 2 days, and it was because I wasn't home. Actually, I didn't trade either until today. So as you possibly read from the title of this video and the thumbnail, I'm going to explain to you how I found today a 2K payout from a 25K account from my funded futures. So basically, as you can see here, this is the dashboard of my funded futures. I had this account from Fintivo. Actually, I didn't buy it. I took it from a promo code from their Discord. It was a free code for 50 people or something. I was one of the first to take it. So basically, I traded 2 days, which were Monday and Tuesday. I secured $750 in each, and I got the profit target for the Rapid account and already secured the profit required to pass. So in the next day, which is Wednesday, I received my funded account, which is this one. So basically, I had a Rapid 25K that I needed to actually clear the buffer first, which was $1,100, and then to make at least $500 plus in order to request a payout. So jumping directly to the chart, what I saw earlier today is that we have the open here. We came down, we swept this low after the CPI came, and then we pushed high. We pushed higher until we swept until we made actually a new high of day. After that, I saw this price action coming down, starting by this SMT here. We had an SMT here between ES and NQ. I was watching price action and waiting for it sweeping all of these lows. I had this low as a target, the one that I'm marking currently with the green color. So at this exact point, market retraced, but I didn't get an entry, and we got all this push down. And after here, after 11:20 a.m., I was waiting after this retracement for a possible entry. So what I saw here is this fair value gap, this exact one, that was already tapped at 11.8. We swept actually the recent high at 11.25. So basically, as I showed you every time, and majority of the trade recaps that I'm sharing, that this in my system is protected, and until we hit this low, the recent low, which is this low of 11.18. So what I did, I was waiting for a reaction, a strong bearish reaction to confirm my idea, which actually happened here. And then after this push down at 11.38, I decided to take a trade for 1 to 3 RR at the rejection block of this 11.30 order block. It was, I can say it's a random point, but it was actually very optimal risk for me. So basically, this was the trade. So now you're going to ask me, so if this was the trade actually, how did you fumble, or where is the fumble in this? Now I'm going to show you. I will show you first the Fintivo screen and then explain to you how I did it and then show you the record. So as you can see here, this is Fintivo. You can see here my first entry. Sorry, let me reconnect. This is a new platform from my funded futures. So as you can see here, this is my first execution here, and then market start ranging here. So after I actually risked all of the drawdown in this trade, which actually was a mistake to full port the account, but I said that one good A plus trade is better than 3 normal trades, since the account is rapid and I can take a payout from day one. So this was my mistake actually, but I won't consider it a big mistake because I see it's a good model and system working with the rapid accounts. So after I took my shorts here, market was going against my direction, and at this exact held minute I decided to scale. Why I did that, I don't know. This was my mistake. I didn't even know why I clicked sell at 10 micro contracts again. I should have just waited, and I was getting paid because my stop actually that was here was never touched, and I shouldn't have actually scaled in this trade. So this was actually the fumble. I didn't know what the fuck got to my mind that I clicked sell again. I should have just went to drink water or go touch some grass, wait for market to dump. It was a 600 tick move. With 10 contracts, it was gonna secure me a 2k payout over the buffer. I don't know. I don't know what got to my mind. That's the problem. My mind told me to just click. Once I clicked, market just moved this few ticks, as you can see here, just this few ticks in this candle that is going to dump, and that's where I got stopped, as you can see here, minus $1,178. If I didn't scale, I was going to secure that payout, but as I'm, I'm actually speechless, to be honest. I was about to, I was about to I was about to cry once I saw market dump directly in 2 minutes to my target. It was actually a hard moment since it's not the first time it was hitting a lot harder because I keep saying to myself, what the hell am I doing with my life every time? Fumbling this, fumbling that. Because before even I started this channel, I fumbled many, many, many times before this one. I like I can't even count it again, man. Like thousands of times. It was too hard, and it's still hitting harder than ever before. I fumbled thousands of dollars. I don't know what I'm going to do next, to be honest. So, because times like this, they always hit hard. Like they're the hardest times of trading, man. Because you see that 10 seconds, like literally 10 or 20 seconds resulted in blowing 2k worth of profit that was about to push me even harder to try harder and to buy accounts and to have some funds to try more with accounts, and most importantly to have me this 25k with a cleared buffer, so I need just to take a good trade and withdraw the next day, and it was a good account and everything. But as many times I fumbled again. I'm actually ashamed of myself to say it, but I decided to say it just in YouTube to keep count of myself and to remind myself every time that I wanna do some stupid shit that this will be the result from 2k payout to $0 and a blown account in literally less than a 1 minute. What the hell, man? I'm actually out of words, to be honest. I'm ashamed of myself, that's all I can say. And anyway, we move on. I'll see you tomorrow with a fresh new video and a new energy, maybe in another account, and maybe I don't repeat these mistakes. Hopefully, it will be my last stupid mistake, and see you guys later.